Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing the Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus and Lenovo Legion Y700 2025. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Next, compare display features. Yoga Tab Plus comes with 12.7 inches IPS LCD display, and the Legion Y700 comes with 8.8 inches IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Both tablets are powered by the Snapdragon chipset and have the same hardware features. When it comes to the camera features, they offer two rear cameras, a 13 megapixel wide and 2 megapixel macro cameras. Next, compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.